Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we will learn how to calculate internal rate of return, most commonly known as IRR in Microsoft Excel. As in our previous video, we learned about net present value and we learned how to calculate it using NPV formula and how to do it without using NPV formula. And you can find the link for this in the description and also in the I button. So let's move to the today's topic, which is IRR. As you can see, we have this information from our previous video. So we have NPV here. These are the cash flows of the project. So at 10%, the project is providing 13,420 NPV, which is quite good. And if we talk about normal cash flows, 120,000. So now we will calculate IRR for this. So internal rate of return is the rate at which the cash inflows of the project are nearly equal to capital investment at the start of the project. So let me show you how to calculate it. So here we will use our formula, which is equals to, then we will use IRR, which is our formula. So we'll press tab. So we'll select our values from 0 till year 7, then bracket over and enter. As you can see here, the internal rate of return is 12% and our rate is 10%, which means if I make it 12, the NPV will be 0. So let's try 12 and enter. As you can see here, this is a negative balance. You might be thinking why we have negative balance. So now let me tell you the reason behind this. So if we check our formula here, which is IRR, it is 12%, but we want to know the decimals of it. So we'll use this, at least 4 decimals, then we'll make some space for it, and now we have our exact rate which we can use now. Now we will use this rate, which is 11.7511. Enter. You can see we have 0.15 balance, all because of decimals. If you will copy this exact IRR, then you will get 0.00. Here you go. I hope you have learned how to calculate IRR in Microsoft Excel. If you want to learn more financial formulas like NPV, MIRR, PMT, or other basic formulas of Microsoft Excel, you can check our playlist. And if you like this video, please hit like, comment down your question, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.